right now. I'm whispering into the camera. I don't think that's where the microphone is. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Because you are talking to yourself. And it's kind of weird.